My father always had a saying, when a day starts like this, it's all uphill from here.
Uphill? No, it's all downhill from here.
But everybody wants to be up, nobody wants to be down, so it's all uphill from here.
But it's easier as you go downhill. So your dad didn't know what he was talking about.
You're on the no-fly list.
We are having this baby on Friday. How do you expect to get home?
Hey, you want to ride with us?
Crisis averted, I'm driving. Say hi to her.
Do you have a hairdresser out west? I just got this killer perm and it needs major upkeep.
So that's what I'm dealing with.
We're gonna be traveling for a few days and it wouldn't hurt to get to know each other. What's your favorite color? What age did you lose your virginity? I was 9 years old. Great gal, great gal. Sheila Pimples. We need to make a pit stop.
Close in 5 minutes. I got reservations at Chili's.
You have a reservation at Chili's.
That's actually smart. I mean, it gets busy on a Wednesday night.
I despise who you are at a cellular level.
Okay, I've heard that before, and I'm trying to work on it. I have never.
Hello, dear.
Where are you?
I'm in the Great Canyon. I'll be there in a minute.
Did you just say the Grand Canyon?
Don't panic! Don't panic! Getting you home safe, okay?
I'm gonna kiss you.
Stop, Peter! I'm driving. Oh, sick!
Why are your eyes so glassy? You been partying?
No, I have glaucoma.
What about the dog? Does he have glaucoma? Because his eyes are glassy too.
You better check yourself.
Is that a drainage ditch coming up?
I'm already headed.
Real hard.
There's another one up there.
Why do you even have this?
Because this is my daddy.
Why are your father's ashes in a coffee can?
Because he's dead, Peter. Dad, you were like a father to me. I could have sworn I read it was man-made.
Nope, not correct. It's the Grand Canyon, it's not the Hoover Dam.
Well, I know it's not the Hoover Dam. That was built by the Pilgrims.
Also incorrect.
Hey! Check yourself before you wreck yourself.
This coffee is horrible. It tastes like cat litter.
I think it tastes delicious.
So I use the coffee that you guys brought.
Oh, boy. His dad's remains were in the can.
Oh, God! So stupid!
Check yourself, check yourself.